Hello. Good morning. All right, so we are going on a road trip, but first we have to go get the car. So we got the rental car and now we are headed to Las Vegas. We are going to see a lot of national parks. That's the goal, but we're already driving. Things are flying. It's getting wild in this car. Say hi, Ariel. Hello. Yay! It's gonna be 9 hours to Vegas. This rental car, it had 100 miles on it. We have already put 43 miles on it. Let's see what kind of damage we can put on this rental car. I think we're gonna really put a lot of miles on it. If you have a guess, put it in the comments. How many miles do you think we're gonna put on this rental car? Remember, we started with 100. We've already put 43 miles on it and we've barely left. So, yeah.
We're just beautiful creatures, singing loudly on the floor. We could dance forever until they kick us out the door.
Right, so we made it to Vegas. Yay. It took a while to get a room, like a long time to book the room, but we did. And now we're trying to find it. We're staying at the Orleans, which I've never been at. It's okay. Let's see what the room looks like. I doubt it looks like our room at the Stratosphere because that room was really nice. It's a nice room. 2 beds. Standard TV. I don't know why it's so dark. My eyes thought it was so dark. Sitting area. Can you close it? Bathroom, sink, shower. And that's all, folks. It is time to go to bed. Night.
Blah, blah, blah. Follow by the bra, 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 bra. I don't wanna talk, talk, talk.